Hey guys, so I've had another one. Remember, we're working with the GT today all day long, so we have to use this week the GT. It's time, so I'm gonna use the final cut. So I'm gonna use my drill. Remember, I go a little more faster with this guy. So it is for Fusion 2016. I'm gonna start slow the cut. Remember, just with little door. My line is a little older. Go slow first. That's the beginning. I'm gonna go slow now. There you go. You see? Now you feel free. That was remember is that the foam attached to the glass? A little more, we still can go, corner, right there. No more. Alright, so this is gonna pass right here. Remember, this one has a gravity stuff really strong, so we gotta get careful without break the line. Okay, gravity stop is done. Right there. And now let's go to the other side. Oh, we're almost there. Maybe I'm just catching the gravity stuff. It stays on my line, maybe no. Let's see here, because the gravity stuff is going to be harder to break it. I'm going to go slowly. There you go. I feel it fits. Now here the problem is, we have is the guy's gonna try to go in because the gravity stuff on this one is there really hard. You can just break it before, or just, you know, let it go before. Now what I have to do here is, because this guy is want to go inside, so I'm gonna take this one out. You can hold it. You can go from outside if you want. Just making this way and finish your cut. Okay, so if in case you're stuck, just go out, go around, and just struggle the clip, and you finish the cut. Okay guys, so it's out. Okay guys, thank you so much. See you next time, because I have a lot of work. There was the GT. I'm going to be working with this tool for all day and this week. Thank you guys. See you next shot.